Hello everyone, myself Prakash Reddy, working as an assistant professor, Aeronautical Engineering College, Dundigal. In this session, we are going to discuss about block diagram of optical fiber communication system. See, block diagram of optical fiber communication system mainly consisting of three parts. One is transmitter, second one is optical fiber cable, the third one is receiver. In the block diagram of optical fiber communication system, mainly we have three sections. One is transmitter, optical fiber cable and receiver. So see the diagram. We are giving electrical input to the transmitter. The transmitter consisting of three sections here: drive circuit, light source and fiber flylet. This transmitter, mainly the part of transmitter in the optical fiber communication system is it receives the electrical signals and converting it to the light signals or optical signals. So it is connected to optical fiber cable by the total internal reflection, light propagating through the optical fiber cable, and the receiving end optical fiber cable again connected to the receiver again converting into the light signals into electrical signals. This is the main function of optical fiber communication system. Mainly three parts. One is transmitter, second one is optical fiber cable, and third one is receiver. Going in detail, transmitter. So optical fiber consisting of three main elements. One is transmitter, second one is receiver or transmission channel. Second one is optical fiber cable or transmission channel. Third one is receiver. Going in detail, again transmitter consisting of three parts. One is drive circuit, and second one is light source, and third one is fiber flylet. So transmitter, an electrical signal is applied to the optical transmitter. The optical transmitter converts are consisting of drive circuit, light source and fiber flylet. Drive circuit drives the light source. Our light source converts the electrical signals to the optical signals. Fiber flylet is used to connect the optical signals to the optical fiber. So, in the diagram, transmitter consisting of three parts: drive circuit, light source, and fiber flylet. So, drive circuit. What is the function of drive circuit here? Drive circuit drives the light source. So, drive circuit receives the electrical signals from the input and drives to the light signals. Light source converts the electrical signals into optical signals. What is the function of light source here? It converts the electrical signals which is received from the drive circuits, converts to the optical signals. Fiber flylet is used to connect the optical signals to the optical fiber. These are the three functions, three main parts in the transmitter system. One is drive circuit, second one is the light source, third one is the fiber flylet. Coming to the optical transmission channel. Mainly transmission channel usually consisting of only optical fiber cable, but going in detail, it having three parts: optical slice, optical connector, or optical coupler or splitter, and repeater. So functions of these optical splice or connector or coupler or repeater. So it consisting of a cable that provides mechanical and environmental protection to the optical fiber connected inside. Each optical fiber acts an individual channel here. Coming to the transmission channel, usually it consisting of only optical fiber cable. It consists of a cable that provides mechanical and environmental protection. So coming to the optical splice, used to permanently join to individual optical fibers. Then that is clearly shows in the diagram. This is the optical slides. It is permanently connected to optical fibers. It is permanently connected to optical fibers here. Then coming to the second one, optical connector. It is temporary, non-fixed joints between two individual optical fibers. Third one is optical coupler or splitter. It provides the signals to the other devices. Optical splitter or coupler provides the signals to the other devices. Repeaters. Then what is the function of repeaters here? Repeaters again amplify the signals here. So converts the optical signals into the electrical signals using optical receiver and passes to electronic circuit where it is reshaped and amplified if the signals are destroyed because of scattering or absorption and dispersion in the waveguides. See in the diagram, and this is the optical communication path totally. So here three main functions: optical splitter, second one optical splice, and repeater. Optical coupler or splitter and repeater. Repeater converts the optical signals into electrical signals using optical receiver and passes it to electronic circuit where it is reshaped and amplified as it gets attenuated and destroyed with increasing distance because of scattering, absorption and dispersion in waveguide. So due to the long distance traveled by the light signals, some signals are lost by the scattering or absorption and dispersion in the waveguide. So to increase the signal strength, that optical repeater is used here. So what is the function of repeater? Mainly it converts the optical signals into the electrical signals and increase and reshape and amplify. Now third one is the receiver. So receiver receives the optical signals and converting into the electrical signals, mainly consisting of three parts here: photodetector and signal restorer and amplifier. So signal restorer and amplifier are used to improve the signal to get the original signal which is gives in an input. To get the original signal restorer and amplifier are used here. So receiver consisting of three parts or optical signals is applied to the optical receiver. It consisting of photodetector, amplifier and signal restorer. So photodetector again converts the optical signals into the electrical signals. So what is the function of photodetector? Photodetector converts the optical signals to the electrical signals. And signal restorer, amplifier are used to improve the signals to noise ratio of the signal, as there are chances of noise to be introduced in the signals due to use of photodetectors. Usually when we are using photodetectors, some noise are creating in the signals. So to avoid that noise, we are using signal restorer and amplifiers. And this is a main parts in the black diagram of optical fiber communication system. As we discussed it, then black diagram of optical fiber communication system consisting of main three parts. First one is a transmitter, and second one is a transmission channel, and third one is receiver. So detailed function of receiver, transmission channel and transmitter. So transmitter consisting of three sections here: drive circuit, light source and fiber platelet. Usually transmitter is used to inject the signals to the and converts the electrical signals into the optical signals and inject to the optical fiber cable or to the transmission channel. In this main three parts are drive circuit, light source and fiber platelet. Drive circuit usually drives the light source from the input to the light source, converts the electrical signals into the optical signals, and fiber platelet is used to connect the optical signals to the fiber. Here transmission channel consisting of optical splice and optical connector, optical coupler or splitter and repeaters. So optical splice is used to permanently join the two individual optical fiber. To temporary join, we are using optical connector, and the splitter is used to provide the signals to the other devices. Repeater, and repeater converts the optical signals into the electrical signals and amplified also. At the same time, the signals are amplified using the repeaters. So converts the optical signals. Repeaters are used to convert the optical signals into the electrical signals and reshaped and amplified. If it is due to the longer distances travel and due to the scattering and absorption and dispersion in the waveguide, the signals are lost. So to reshape the signals, we are using a repeater. And third thing is receiver. Receiver receives the signals and converting it to the electrical signals. Usually, we are three sections are in the receiver. One is photo detector, and second one is the amplifier and signal restorer. Amplifier and signal restorer are used to improve the signals, and photo detectors converts the optical signals into electrical signals. This is the detail in black diagram of optical fiber communication system. So, for shorter distance communication, what are the elements required? See here. For the shorter distance communication, we are using only source as LED. Source as LED. Fiber is multi-mode step index optical fiber, and detector is pin detector. These are the three we are using for shorter distance communication. At the same time, for the longer distance communication, along the three main elements. So, we are using coupler and beam splitter and repeaters and optical amplifiers. Because of due to longer distance travel by the light rays, so some signals are lost due to scattering or absorption. So for that, to increase the signal, to amplify the signals or to strengthen the signals, we are using couplers and beam splitters, repeaters and optical amplifier. That's why for the longer distance communication along the three main elements, so we need these couplers, splitters and repeaters and amplifiers also. Here source is laser diode. Fiber is single mode optical fiber cable. I think all of you know about the difference between multi-mode step index and single mode fibers. In the single mode, total data transmitted in a single direction or single path. So instead of single path, if the light ray travel more than one path, then we are called as multi-mode optical fibers. In the shorter communication, we prefer multi-mode optical fibers. But in the longer communication system, only we prefer single mode optical fibers. Detector is avalanche photodiode. It called as APD, avalanche photodiode. And these are the main elements for shorter distance communication as well as longer distance communication. So for the shorter distances, we are not using any repeaters. Repeaters are amplifiers. For shorter distance communication, these three elements are mainly required. Including these three, then for the longer distance, we are using couplers, beam splitters, repeaters and amplifiers also. Once again, see the black diagram. And first one, it consisting of mainly three parts. One is transmitter. These are communication, optical communication. And third one is receiver. Mainly, these three sections are available in the black diagram of optical fiber. Transmitter consisting of drive circuit, light source and fiber platelet. Optical fiber consisting of optical splice and beam splitter and repeater. Optical splice is used to join the two optical fiber cables permanently, and beam splitter is used to inject the signals to the repeaters, and repeaters are used to convert the optical signals into the electrical signals and amplified also. and receiver receives the optical signals and converting into the electrical signals, and the amplifier and signal restore are used to restores the signals, and this is electrical signal output. This is about total black diagram of optical fiber communication system. I hope you understand well, and see you in the next session. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.